Check it out, plants, they don't need a plate. They make their own food now, isn't that great? It's called photosynthesis, let me break it down. Sunlight, water, air all around. The leaves take the sun like a battery, turning light to energy naturally. Chlorophyll's the key, you see it in the green. Turning sunlight into power, it's a plant machine. Photosynthesis, that's how plants grow. Sun shines the fuel, and now you know. Water from the roots, air from the breeze, making food from light, it's a science with these. Photosynthesis is a natural way. Plants get strong, growing every day. With the sun up high and the roots down low. Photosynthesis, watch the energy flow. Carbon dioxide's in the air, plants breathe it in. Water through the roots, let the magic begin. With the sunlight shining, it's a chemical dance. The leaves go to work, gives the plant a big chance. They make oxygen, we breathe it out. Photosynthesis, that's what it's all about. In the sun they shine, in the rain they thrive. Turning light into life, keeping nature alive. Photosynthesis, that's how plants grow. Sun shines the fuel, and now you know. Water from the roots, air from the breeze, making food from light, it's a science with these. Photosynthesis, it's a natural way. Plants get strong, growing every day. The sun up high and the roots down low. Photosynthesis, watch the energy flow.